Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use Hubspot. The first thing you want to do is just be in Hubspot and then just get free CRM. When you're going to be here, you can simply create an account with a new user and add a first name, last name, email address, and then click next. I already pre-created my account, so I'll just click continue with this user and continue with this account. Now, when you're going to be in Hubspot, you're going to see export the HubSpot growth platform, so you can actually use with your CRM the marketing, sales, service, and CMS hub. On CRM, you need to go to the left top side to the contacts, and you would find them right here. So contact, contacts. Right now I have pre-created contacts, but what can I do is this. You can go to the top right and click create a contact. First, we're going to add an email of the contact. First name, last name, contact owner, like who got the lead. Then job title can be CEO. Phone number, you can add it if you have. Lifecycle stage, again, you can add it as a subscriber, as a lead, marketing, qualified lead, sales, opportunity, customer, evangelist, other. I can go opportunity. And then you can see and choose the new lead status as new, open, in progress, open deal, unqualified, attempt to contact, connected. And I'm going to go with the new. You can also customize the properties. That's also what you can do. And now see the properties your team sees to contact records. And now you can edit everything here, right? If you want to. Let's create a contact, and you can also add another. Then we're going to create a contact. You are going to directly put it here on the contact where you can add a note. This is a note. You can create a task next to the follow-up of the note, so I'll just save it. Then you can add an email. You can call. You can log a call, email, or a meeting. Jessica, call outcome, date, time, and what was the call about? I called her about proposal, and I can go log activity, and then I'm gonna have a task, and you can simply enter a task here. So what you can do is just simply go and write here this, have a coffee, due date in 3 business days, notes, call Jessica to grab a coffee together. You can also attach a file here, underline it to the snippet, and now associate with the one record with the contact, type to-do list. You can have it also as a call or email. Priority can be high, or you can also add like low. Assign to myself. You can also assign to someone else. Email reminder. The day of, you can have the email reminder if you want, so like custom date can be like, let's say 11 February. And then you get also time and QA. If you got need, you can create it. Save task here. Okay, and then, so this is the task, and then you can have actually meeting. What are you meeting about? Future cooperation. Describe your meeting. In here we will solve big business. And one attendees as a Jessica contact. Start time. Duration can be the long as you like. Choose it. On bottom right again, associated with one record. You can also connect it to Google Calendar and click save. Okay, so we see the activity that was actually happening with the Jessica right now. And we can click directly to notes here. Then email, that we can actually like create the email, and you can connect the Gmail. This is like pretty simple. I'm not going to show you because like anyone can do it. You just connect the Gmail and you just write the email to Jessica. Or you can connect Office or connect other calls. Okay, you can also make a phone call. You can automatically call with HubSpot. if you want to. And then you're going to see tasks here. So this is the task that I created with a person, and then meeting, future cooperation. In here, we'll talk a big business. About the contact, you're going to see the Jessica, last name Zulu, email. I can view all properties. So you can reset the account details, email information, web analytics history, conversion information. And you can add it to your view. When we go back to the contact, and again, click on Jessica. Also, on the right side, you can add a company. You can add deals. So I can add a company, or I can associate a new company, and Jessica. Oh, company domain name can be. Okay, can be, I know. Company owner, industry, luxury goods. Phone number, type, if it's like prospect. You just add here the annual revenue, the time zone here, the state region, how many employees they have, description, and LinkedIn page. Pretty simple. Let's click create. So again, this is really similar. You see the Jessica and Co. And we see the notes and emails, call, task, meetings. Then when we go back to the contacts, I can again simply click on my Jessica. I can add the deals here. Then you're gonna see the tickets, like these are the questions that Jessica is going to like ask you to solve or something like that. I can click deals and click add. And now deal name, Jessica Co new deal, pipeline. Okay, deal stage can be qualified to buy or presentation scheduled. Amount can be 10,000. Close date, when you want to close it, 28th of February. Let's go. Deal owner, deal type, you can also choose as a new business or existing business. I'm going to choose it's a new business. Jessica Zulu, Jessica Co. Okay. Add light item. You can add it and simply click here, create. So voila, here we got a deal activity, but we will get to the deal activity. I just want to finish you the contact. So this is how we can simply create the deals directly in a contact. We will be able to do it here in sales, and it will be like further in the tutorial. I'm going to click on the Jessica again. And so we got a company, we got a deal with Jessica, then we're gonna see the tickets here. I can simply add, so ticket name, asked about some items. Ticket status new, ticket description, question, source, can be chat, email, form, or phone. I can go with the chat. Ticket owner, it's me. Priority can be medium, and create date. Again, you can choose it, right? And click create. So voila, here we got ourselves a ticket. Activity. And you see here the Jessica asked about some items. Contact, company, pretty simple, right? So as you can see, it's right here. And you would see in here on service and tickets. So I really like that you can actually, with your contact, you can implement sales as deals, and you can also have tickets directly for the contact if they had any questions. I like it. And then you're going to see list membership here and also playbooks. And attachments if you want to add. When you're going to click again to contact, you can see all contacts. Then you would see my contacts. So all contacts of all people, my contacts that you need to contact, and unassigned to no one. You can also add one view if you want to. You can create a new view as if you want to go with unassigned contacts, needs, next action, or you can go all views. You can create a date here, like if it was yesterday, tomorrow. It's like filters, right? Lead status, and you can categorize by that, right? So lead status, let's go with connected, you would see new, and I can find Jessica. The next thing you can do is to click on deals, and you would see deals here, or you can simply click tickets and you are directly in the tickets. So that's really great, but we will get to it. So you can actually manage everything from just the contacts menu. Now I can click on a company and I get to see the company that I created here as for the Jessica. And this is really the same with Jessica company. And let's say they are going to have multiple employees that you're gonna message with and contact with. So you would see it on right here, contacts. You would see all the contacts here for the company, deals that you are making for the company with. You can, like, let's say that I'm going to pay it out for you. Let's say that you're gonna have one company, HQ. You're gonna have 4 clients from the company, and with each of those you can make deals, right? And you would see everything under one company. So that'll be really great. And that's pretty much it. And this is how companies work. Then you have activity feed here, and also lists here, list library, and you can create a new list. When you would come here, you can go to conversations and see inbox. If you can connect your channel with email, also with the chat or Facebook Messenger or forums. When someone's going to message you, you would see it right here. Then you can simply click on marketing here and click email. In email, you can simply create a new email, and you can go with a welcome mail, let's say, and you can create like the email and then send it to your contacts. So that's really great. So if you have some supporting email that you want to create, you don't have to actually use, I don't know, MailChimp. You can use directly HubSpot. Then you're gonna see sales here, and this is what I want to show are deals. So in deals, you can see right here that I got Jessica, new deal, presentation scheduled, amount 10,000 euro. I can click on the deal. I can see right here. I can add a note, again email, create a call for the deal, create a log in the deal, task, schedule meet for the deal. I can edit the properties as a deal stage. I can change it if I want to. On the right side, I get to see the company, the contacts, the attachments, line items, quotes, and everything. So this is pretty much it, how you do it. It's like really simple and really easy. Also, what you can do is to simply add a view and add a new views as my deals, all deals, my one deals this month, or new deals this month. You can also put it right here as all pipelines or sales pipeline. And we saw the contacts, we saw the companies. And this is how you can work with deal. You can go also to top right, and you can go to actions to edit properties, or you can simply create a deal by yourself. So you can add a deal name and add it as this is a new deal. You can add a deal stage as qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, contract sent, close won, close lost. Amount again. Amount can be 10,000, or let's go 100,000. Or decision maker brought in, deal owner, deal type can be like existing business. And you just add Jessica as a contact. If you're gonna click new business, you can add it, or existing, search company, Jessica, and voila. And let's click create. So we got a new deal for Jessica. And now when I would click on the Jessica Corporation as a company, I can see 2 deals straight away for 100,000 and for 10,000. Pretty simple, pretty easy, right? Now, the next thing I want to show you is when you got also the tasks here. And these are the tasks that I created that I need to do, like create a task here. And I can add a new title, like new task. It's a to-do, priority none, assign 2,000 tips, query and none. You can create a new query if you want to. and you can choose it, due date, pretty simple, right? And you can add a note to it. So you can add like which is going to be associated with, it's going to be get with Jessica, and let's click create. And voila, new task we have with Jessica, and I can have, we'll create a task for it to follow up with Jessica, and you can have the status as finished, right? Mark as complete, and voila. And then I would find a completed task right here. So yeah, this is how we do it. You can also edit the columns here. So you can add as priority, click save then. And you can add also priority in it. So this is how you can do it. And the next thing I wanted to show you is when you go to service and tickets. Here you find all the questions your contacts had with you and what they need to solve. So you can go, Jessica asked about some items. Question, okay. In the same style, really simple, go to top right, create a ticket. You just add here the ticket name, new ticket, ticket description 1 to 3, source, chat, ticket status can be like waiting on contact, ticket owner, priority, medium, and search company. Again, I'm going to add here Jessica Zoo. Now I just click create. And voila, here we got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, right? So this is how we do it, and this is how we can create a new ticket. And you'd find all tickets here. Automations are paid, they are not in free CRM. And then you get also reports that you can have like analytics tools and dashboard when you can see the reporting of everything. So dashboard. And you can see the marketing, lead generation. Next, create a dashboard. Let's go. And you don't have any contacts here, but this is how you can do it. You can create also reports here. Or have a dashboard for yourself. Manage dashboards, and you can see everything. So if you're gonna have like, I don't know, other people that are working in CRM, you can do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. I really think that HubSpot is a great tool that you can use for business and how we can actually work with it. And yeah, definitely let me down below in the comments. What do you think? What are some questions? And yeah, goodbye.